Are you craving more power from your Mercedes-AMG GT 63? The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT 63 Pro 4Matic Plus is here to satisfy your need for speed. Packing an additional 26 horsepower and 37 lb-ft of torque, this beast accelerates from 0 to 124 miles per hour, half a second quicker than its predecessor, reaching a top speed of 197 miles per hour. According to Mercedes-AMG CEO Michael Schiebe, the GT 63 Pro strikes a perfect balance between everyday usability and track performance. While it doesn't surpass the GT 63 in a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint, it excels on the racetrack. The 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 engine remains mechanically identical to the GT 63, but software enhancements boost its output to 603 GP and 627 lb-ft of torque. The chassis setup of the GT 63 Pro mirrors that of the GT 63, featuring AMG active ride control suspension, active roll stabilization, and rear-wheel steering. However, significant improvements make it a formidable track day machine. A redesigned front fascia enhances airflow, and upgraded cooling circuits maintain optimal drivetrain temperatures. Two new radiators in the front wheel wells and actively cooled top-mounted radiators ensure efficient heat management. Standard features on the GT 63 Pro include AMG's carbon ceramic composite brakes, with massive 16.5-inch front rotors clamped by 6-piston calipers. The lightweight 21-inch forged alloy wheels are fitted with Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires and ultra-grippy Michelin Pilot Sport Cup. 2 R tires are available at no extra cost. Aerodynamic upgrades enhance high-speed stability with an active air control system, active underbody aero, and a fixed rear wing. These refinements reduce front axle lift by over 66 pounds and increase rear axle downforce by 33 pounds. Carbon fiber accents on the front splitter, side sills, rear diffuser, and rear wing add to the GT 63 Pro's aggressive look, complemented by black-painted brake calipers and matte grey alloy wheels.